welcome to Maheshwari chemistry classes. Today our topic is intermediate second year, very important questions, that two chemistry VSAQs. Listen properly, please give me your support. I don't want to waste your time. Please subscribe my channel Maheshwari chemistry classes and like, share, subscribe. Please share with your friends. Okay, most of the students have tension about these VSAQs only, so listen properly. It is easy for you. Listen better. Next, what is jitter ion? Give an example. Jitter ion means, especially if you take the amino acids, okay, are CH2, NH2, sorry, COOH group is there. Okay, in this amino acid, amine group is present and carboxylic acid group present. Both are present. Once you check this, okay, in this amino acid, this amine group side NH2 may take one extra electron from this carboxylic acid. Here H is lost one electron, and this H plus ion attracted on NH2 and convert like NH3 plus, and these H plus released electron towards oxygen side, it may get negative charge like this. Okay, means on single molecule, this is the molecule, right? So in this NH3 plus, I mean positive charge, and COO minus, I mean negative charge, both are present. Okay, so dipole nature, two poles are present, one is negative pole, another is a positive pole, and it is a dipolar neutral ion. Dipolar neutral ion, that is called a jitter ion. Jitter ion is a dipolar neutral ion containing negative and positive charges. It is present in where beta? Free amino acids, especially in a cell like this. Next, define denaturation of products. Denaturation of products purpose, it may be asked sometimes VSAQ and sometimes SAQ also. So listen beta, sorry. Denaturation, breaking of protein structure and loss of biological activity by heating is called protein denaturation. Simply you have to remember, if you take the egg, before boiling it is a liquid, after boiling it is a solid. Okay, so especially coagulation of egg white on boiling. Next, curding of milk. Okay, next, secondary tertiary structures of hydrogen bonds are destroyed but primary structure remains same as it is. Okay, and it is reversible, and most of the times it is a irreversible condition. Simple beta. When we take the egg, okay, so this egg before boiling it may have the liquid condition and this protein have life, I mean naturality is present, but when we heat that, I mean when we boil that egg, okay, egg white completely convert like a solid, means it lost its biological activity. Okay, this boiled egg cannot give chick, but normal egg, okay, will give the chick, means here the life is present, biological activity is present, but when we heat it, okay, it loss of biological activity, that is called denaturation. Okay, and secondary tertiary structures of hydrogen bond destroyed but primary not destroyed, means simply you have to remember, before boiling and after boiling also it is egg, but after boiling it solidified, and secondary tertiary hydrogen bonds are destroyed. Okay, so next, it is reversible. Okay, like curding of milk purpose, in some special techniques milk may convert like curd, but most of the times 99% it is a irreversible. Okay, means boiled egg may not convert like normal egg. Okay, this is a irreversible condition. Next, what are antacids? Give an example. It is also very important question beta. Listen properly. Antacid, these are the drugs used to remove the excess acid in the stomach and maintain the normal pH level. Example, omeprazole. Antacid means these are the drugs. Okay, these are the chemicals, especially extra acid. Okay, अगर मसाला जैसा फूड खाए तो ज़्यादा एसिड रिलीज होगा स्टमक में. ओके, उस टाइम पे क्या होगा बेटा? स्टमक पेन आ जाता. ओके, एसिड बढ़ गया, एसिडिटी बोलते हैं वो लोग. बोले तो इधर रियली एसिड ओनली, आवर फूड डाइजेशन पर्पस, इन डाइजेशन बैग एंड आई मीन इन स्टमक HCl इज रिलीज्ड. ओके, सो अगर HCl ज़्यादा हो गए तो स्टमक पेन आता. ओके, HCl कम करने के लिए, आई मीन एसिड कम करने के लिए एंटासिड यूज़ करते हैं. एंटासिड बोले तो बेस, दैट इज स्पेशली वीक बेसिस, मैग्नीशियम हाइड्रोक्साइड एंड एल्यूमिनियम हाइड्रोक्साइड. मेनली टैबलेट इज omeprazole, panpac, like before breakfast taking all tablets are the antacid tablets. Okay, so this is about, I mean not thyroid, I'm not telling about the thyroid here. Before breakfast means you don't think about the thyroid tablet. Antacid is a एसिड कंट्रोल करने के लिए, एसिड लेवल्स कंट्रोल करने के लिए यूज़ करता है ना, वो बेस वाला टैबलेट. दैट इज द मैग्नीशियम हाइड्रोक्साइड, एल्यूमिनियम हाइड्रोक्साइड compounds are present. The tablet name is a omeprazole, right? Next question, copper sulfate and 5 moles of water is hydrated copper sulfate. Okay, hydrated copper sulfate is in blue color, whereas anhydrous copper sulfate is colorless. Why? Okay, simple. In hydrated copper sulfate, blue color exhibiting purpose, main reason is hydrated ligands, water ligands are present. That is why, especially in D subshells, EG to T2G levels, electron shifting, I mean ligands may involve in the crystal field splitting. Okay, so due to that reason, that hydrated copper sulfate may exhibit blue color, but in anhydrous purpose only simple copper sulfate is there, no hydrated molecule, I mean ligands are absent, there is no splitting of electrons. Okay, so that is why it cannot exhibit the color, that's it. Okay, so next, what is mish metal? Give the composition and its uses. Okay, mish metal means it is an alloy, lanthanide and iron and traces of sulfur, carbon, calcium and iron. How much the composition means 95% of the lanthanide metal and 5% of the iron and traces of sulfur, carbon, calcium and aluminum. Mish metal is an alloy. Okay, alloy nothing but more than one metal mixture. Okay, alloy of lanthanide metal, it uses in especially flint, lightweight protecting jacket, life protecting jackets, bulletproof jackets and shells preparation purpose and bullets preparation purpose also it is useful. This is about mish metal. It is also very important question, we may expect these type of questions. Next, one more question, calculate the spin-only magnetic momentum of Fe2 plus ion. Okay, magnetic momentum purpose formula, we have a spin-only magnetic moment formula, mu is equals to under root n into n plus 2, mu equals to under root n into n plus 2 Bohr magnets, n equals single electrons, Fe2 plus electronic configuration. Okay, so here argon 4s0 3d6. Okay, 3d6 means in d orbital 6 electrons are there, especially 5 subshells only. First we have to fill the one electron, later pairing occurs. In only how many single electrons? 4 single electrons present. That is why here we have to substitute in the place of n 4 we have to substitute. Mu equals under root 4 into 4 plus 2 equals to under root 4 into 6 means mu value under root 24. Okay, 20 under root 25 means 5, only one value is less, that is why how much the value beta 4.9 Bohr magnets. One more trick also I explained in the mains class, once you check there how many single electrons are present, that Bohr magnet value, I mean mu value also related same as this. Here 4 means it will be 4.9 Bohr magnets came. This is also one of the trick, single electrons number equals to mu value, similar, the single electrons value and mu value 90% similar. Okay, next, what is lanthanide contraction? Gradual decrease in atomic size and ionic sizes of lanthanides from left to right. Okay, especially lanthanides, here we are taking period, right? Here in period, especially left side to right side, what happens? Atomic size and ionic sizes decreases from the center to outermost shell. The radius is called atomic size. Okay, if you take the ion, that is called the ionic size. Okay, it is decreases from where to where, beta? In left to right. N number of 14 elements are there, right? So compared to left side to right side, here the size is decreases. Actually atomic number increases means size also increases, but the here reverse condition is there. Even though atomic number increases, even atomic number increasing after also, what happening? Atomic size is decreasing. Main reason is due to poor screening effect of a 4f orbital. Okay, effective nuclear charge increases from left to right. Okay, so agar check kar beta, you may imagine this is the atom, the center of the atom is the nucleus. Okay, so nucleus के ऊपर positive charges बढ़ गए तो, either charge बढ़ गए तो ऊपर से, I mean these valency shell से, okay, valency shell से electrons को न्यूक्लियस साइड को अट्रैक्ट करते, इसके वजह से एटॉमिक साइज एंड आयनिक साइज बोथ आर डिक्रीज्ड. Okay, so this kind of lanthanide atoms size, ionic size, atomic size decreasing from where to where? Left to right. This is known as lanthanide contraction, right? It is also important bit. Next one more important bit, what are antibiotics? Give example in previous call already I explained. Okay, it prevent and kill the microorganisms. Example, penicillin, benzyl penicillin, para-hydroxybenzyl penicillin. What are antiseptic? Antibiotics may be taken tablets and injections. Okay, the internal we can take up, but antiseptics are applying on wounds outside the skin only, external use purpose only we are using. It is also prevent and kill the microorganisms. Example, Dettol and Biphenol. Already I explained in previous class 2 times, that is why I don't want to give more explanation for this. Already it is time very less. Okay, it is the crucial time. Next, what is an anti-fertility drugs? Give an example. Okay, fertile controlling purpose utilizing drugs. Okay, these chemicals are used to birth control medicines. Example, control female menstruation cycle purpose. Okay, norethindrine. Example is the anti-fertility drug. Next, what are antihistamines? Give an example. Okay, antihistamine purpose, histamine controlling purpose utilizing medicine. Okay, example, dimetap. Okay, this is also I explained in previous class. Next question, name the most abundant element present in the earth crust. That is oxygen. Oxygen, how much the percentage beta? 46.6 percentage by weight of the earth crust. Okay, next, write any two uses of ozone and sulfuric acid. Ozone and sulfuric acid, ozone formula O3, sulfuric acid formula H2SO4. Ozone, it what like a germicide. Germicide nothing but germs killing purpose utilizing chemical. Okay, and disinfectant, infection controlling purpose, and disinfectant. Okay, it sterilize water. Okay, sterilization of water purpose also we are using ozone. Next, sulfuric acid uses manufacture of fertilizers purpose and pigments purpose, paints preparation purpose also we are using sulfuric acid. At the same time, sulfuric acid is used in the petrol refining. Nothing but purification, means impurities elimination in petrol. Okay, पेट्रोल रिफाइन करने के लिए भी सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड यूज़ करते बेटा. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, राइट द रिएक्शन ऑफ फ्लोरीन एंड क्लोरीन विथ वाटर. ओके, फ्लोरीन वाटर से कैसे रिएक्ट होता, क्या फॉर्म करती, एंड क्लोरीन कैसे रिएक्ट होता, व्हाट इज द प्रोडक्ट वी हैव टू राइट. ओके, अगर फ्लोरीन वाटर से रिएक्ट हुए तो हाइड्रोजन फ्लोराइड स्पेशली ऑक्सीजन मिलेगा हमको. ओके, एंड समटाइम्स ओजोन भी मिलेगा. ओके, अगर हियर मोल्स नंबर इंक्रीज हुए तो अगर 3 मोल्स ऑफ वाटर है तो ओजोन लिखना, 2 मोल्स ऑफ वाटर है तो ऑक्सीजन लिखना. ओके, सिंपल ट्रिक, ऑक्सीजन का O2 फार्मूला आता, हियर 2 मोल्स यूज़ करता, ओजोन का 3 मोल्स आता, आई मीन O3 3 ऑक्सीजन आटम्स आता, दैट इज़ वाई हियर 3 मोल्स ऑफ ऑक्सीजन. ऐसा रिमेंबर कर लो बेटा. नेक्स्ट, क्लोरीन अगर वाटर से रिएक्ट हो तो हाइपोक्लोरस एसिड, उसके साथ साथ हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड भी फॉर्म होता. ओके, इट इज़ ऑल्सो इंपॉर्टेंट बिट, वंस यू चेक दिस ट्रिक बॉक्स. ओके, H2O फ्लोरीन से रिएक्ट हुए तो मेन प्रोडक्ट्स आइदर इट मे बी ऑक्सीजन और ओजोन. ओके, नेक्स्ट, वाटर क्लोरीन से रिएक्ट हो तो हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड HCl एंड hypochlorous acid HOCl. Next, one more important reaction beta. What happens when chlorine react with the dry slaked lime? Chlorine on reaction with the dry slaked lime gives bleaching powder. अगर कैल्शियम हाइड्रोक्साइड को क्या बोलते बेटा, स्लेक्ड लाइम. ओके, ये क्लोरीन से रिएक्ट हुए तो ब्लीचिंग पाउडर आता. ब्लीचिंग पाउडर का फॉर्मूला क्या है, CaOCl2 and H2O. दैट्स इट. Next, this kind of questions also we may expect, but that not that much important. That is why I want to tell first. In a first order reaction, the concentration of the reactant is reduced from 0.6 mole per liter to 0.2 mole per liter in 5 minutes. Calculate the rate of constant. Okay, this kind of questions they may ask in MSET, rarely in IPE also. Anyway, you have to learn first order reaction purpose rate constant K equals to 2.303 by T log A by A minus X. This is the formula for first order reaction rate constant. Here we have to substitute the T time value, how much beta, 5 minutes, log value here A value given 0.6, A minus X value given 0.2. इफ़ यू सब्स्टिट्यूट करें तो log 3 आ जाएगा. इधर पूरा कैलकुलेट करें तो K इक्वल्स टू 0.2197 मिनट्स इनवर्स आ जाएगा. ओके, सो दिस इज अबाउट फर्स्ट ऑर्डर रिएक्शन रेट कांस्टेंट रिलेटेड प्रॉब्लम. Okay, next one more question. What is half-life of a reaction? Illustrate your answer with an example. The initial concentration of the reactant to become half of its value of the reaction purpose required time is called half-life reaction. Simple beta. For example, if you take a number of reactants may be 100. Okay, इसमें 100 से 50 प्रोडक्ट्स बन जाए, 50 ऐसे हुआ ओके मीन्स हाफ ऑफ खत्म हो गया, ऐसे हाफ ऑफ कन्वर्ट हो गया, कैसे प्रोडक्ट जैसे, वो हाफ ऑफ प्रोडक्ट कन्वर्ट करने के लिए कितना टाइम यूज होगा उसको क्या बोलते, हाफ लाइफ बोलते। ओके इधर एग्जाम्पल दिया C14 आई मीन कार्बन 14 हाफ लाइफ कितना है बेटा 5730 years। ओके next one more important question, we may expect this kind of questions, what is blister copper, why is it so called, okay what is the meaning of blister copper, why it is called as a blister copper, meaning actually, okay so it is a copper obtained after mesmerization of matter nothing but copper sulfide and little amount of iron sulfide, it is dissolved with the sulfur dioxide escape out producing blisters on the metal surface, so it is called as a blister copper is a 98% of the pure copper। తెలుగు పిల్లలు వినండి ఒకసారి, బ్లిస్టర్ కాపర్ అంటే ఏం లేదు, మెస్మరైజేషన్ ప్రాసెస్లో మనము కాపర్ని ప్యూరిఫై చేసేటప్పుడు ఇందులో మ్యాట్ ఉంది కదా, మ్యాట్ అంటే ఏంటిది మనం వేసుకునే మ్యాట్ కాదు బాబు, ఈ మ్యాట్ కాదు, సో కాపర్ సల్ఫైడ్ ఐరన్ సల్ఫైడ్ మిక్చర్ని మ్యాట్ అంటాం కదా, ఈ మ్యాట్తో పాటు మనకి సల్ఫర్ డైఆక్సైడ్ డిజాల్వ్ అయి ఉంటుంది అందులో, ఎప్పుడైతే మనము ఈ మెస్మరైజేషన్ ప్రాసెస్ ఫాలో అవుతున్నామో అప్పుడు ఏమవుతుందంటే ఈ సల్ఫర్ డైఆక్సైడ్ అనేది దాని నుంచి బయటకు ఎలిమినేట్ అవుతూ ఉంటుంది, ఎట్లా బుడగల రూపంలో బయటకు వస్తుంటుంది, ఆ బుడగల రూపంలో బయటకు వచ్చినప్పుడు ఆ సర్ఫేస్లో మొత్తము ఇట్లా బుడగలు పొక్కుల్లాగా మనం అన్నం ఉడకబెట్టినప్పుడు బుడగలు ఇట్లా పైన వస్తుందో సేమ్ యాస్టేజ్ అలా ఆ బుడగల్ని వదిలేస్తే అది వెళ్ళిపోతుంది, ఓకేనా అది చూడడానికి బ్లిస్టర్స్ లాగా పొక్కుల్లాగా ఉంటుంది కాబట్టి ఈ కాపర్ని బ్లిస్టర్ కాపర్ అంటారు। ఈ బ్లిస్టర్ కాపర్ యొక్క ప్యూరిటీ ఎంత అంటే 98% प्योर कॉपर ने ब्लिस्टर कॉपर अंटार, ओकेना अरबिक बेटा सुनो बेटा। ओके सो पहले मेस्मराइजेशन प्रोसेस में कॉपर को ऑब्टेन करने के लिए मैट यूज़ करता बेटा, मैट बोले तो कॉपर सल्फेट एंड आयरन सल्फेट बेटा, ये कॉपर सल्फेट एंड आयरन सल्फेट में थोड़ा सा सल्फर डाइऑक्साइड गैस भी मिक्स होता, ओके अगर हम हीट करें तो ये सल्फर डाइऑक्साइड एस्केप होता किससे, ये मोल्टन मिक्सचर से, ओके ये कॉपर मेटल से ये मोल्टन कॉपर मेटल से बाहर जाने के कोशिश करते, बाहर भी जाते अगर ये ब्लिस्टर्स को ऐसा एयर बबल्स जैसा प्लेसेस छोड़ के जाते, ओके किधर मेटल सरफेस के ऊपर, ओके ऐसा ये दिखने में ब्लिस्टर्स जैसा दिखता है, ये क्या है कॉपर है, ओके सो दैट इज़ वाई इट इज़ कॉल्ड ब्लिस्टर कॉपर। वो ब्लिस्टर कॉपर कितना प्योरिटी था बेटा 98% प्योर, दैट्स इट। ओके I think here the explanation is required, that is why I explained the 3 languages. I have 3 languages students, so again don't comment it why you explain in 3 languages. And one more important VSAQ, how is Gibbs energy related to the cell EMF E mathematically, relation between the Gibbs energy and cell EMF E, delta G naught equals to minus NF E cell, that's it, this is the direct formula you have to remember, important for MSET also and IP also। define order of a reaction, illustrate your answer with an example, what is the meaning of order of reaction, the sum of the powers of the concentration of terms of the reactant present in the rate equation is called order of the reaction। simple beta, you have to take a reaction in this how many moles are involved in the reactant, especially 2 moles of N2O is there, right? For this purpose we have to write the rate equals to K into N2O whole square, okay means reactant power we have to write moles number, this moles number is called as our order of the reaction। अगर here 2 है तो second order reaction, अगर इधर 1 है तो फर्स्ट ऑर्डर रिएक्शन, अगर 3 है तो थर्ड ऑर्डर रिएक्शन जैसा लिखना है, उतना ही बस। नेक्स्ट a reaction is 50% completed in 2 hours and 75% completed in 4 hours, what is the order of the reaction? For that purpose we have formula directly, but you have to remember first order reaction because T half is independent of initial concentration, first order reaction purpose only T half is independent, it cannot depend on the initial concentration, that is why directly we have the formula K equals 0.693 by T half, that's it। okay next a reaction has a half life of 10 minutes, calculate the rate constant for the first order reaction, so first we have to know about what is the rate constant for the first order reaction, rate constant K equals to 0.693 by T half, okay this is the formula, in this T half we have to substitute the T half life how much 10 minutes, that is why 0.693 by 10, then we may get 0.0693 minute inverse, right? Next from metallurgy some more important questions, what is flux, give an example, flux especially for a gangue removing purpose, gangue is a impure metal particles like sand, mud, stone, okay so that impurities elimination purpose adding external substance is called as a flux, okay so these fluxes are 2 types, acidic flux and a basic flux। अगर gangue को acidic nature है तो basic flux यूज़ करना, अगर gangue को basic nature है तो acidic flux यूज़ करना है, Okay, so acidic flux example silica and phosphorus pentoxide. Why phosphorus pentoxide means actually P4O10, it is a dimer for the phosphorus pentoxide. Actually P2O5 we have a, okay, phosphorus pentoxide 2 moles, always it is present as a dimer P4O10. Okay, these are the acidic flux example. Basic flux example is a calcium oxide and a magnesium oxide. What is slag? Next, one more important question. Flux and gang दोनों मिक्सचर को क्या बोलते हैं? स्लैग. Okay, flux plus gang is known as slag. Gang means sand, mud, stone like impure materials, and flux is a gang removing purpose, adding external substance. Okay, flux and gang दोनों मिला के क्या बोलते हैं बेटा? slag. Okay, next slag का example, iron oxide is a gang, silica is a flux. Okay, दोनों मिला के slag जैसे FeSiO3 फेरस सिलिकेट लेके एलिमिनेट होगा, ये क्या है बेटा? स्लैग. नेक्स्ट, व्हाट इज मैट? मैट इज ए मोल्टेन मिक्सचर ऑफ कॉपर सल्फाइड and little amount of ferrous sulfide. Now only in blister copper we learn, right? In blister copper also we are using matte. Okay, matte means copper sulfide and a little amount of iron sulfide mixture. It is known as matte. Okay, next, give the composition of the following alloys. It is also important question. Brass, bronze, German silver, purpose. Okay, brass बोले तो copper and zinc, bronze बोले तो copper and stannum, German silver बोले तो copper, nickel, zinc. Brass copper 60 to 80%, zinc 20 to 40%. Bronze में copper 75 से 90% है and stannum 10 से 50%, सॉरी 10 से 25% था. जर्मन सिल्वर में कॉपर 50 to 60%, निकल 10 to 30% एंड जिंक 20 to 30%. ओके, नेक्स्ट, दिस इज ऑल्सो इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन बेटा. Next, one more important question. Write any two ores with the formula of the following metals: aluminum, zinc, iron and copper. Aluminum, zinc, iron, copper purpose. Alumina purpose, especially gibbsite and bauxite we have. Especially most of the times we are using this bauxite for the aluminum extraction purpose. Why? Because more metal percentage is present in this ore. Okay, this bauxite formula Al2O3 and 2H2O. Gibbsite formula Al2O3 and 3H2O. Zinc purpose, zinc blend ZnS and calamine Zn CO3 we have to use. Next, zincite also there. Okay, next, iron purpose, hematite and magnetite we are using. These are the ores. Hematite formula Fe2O3, magnetite formula Fe3O4, copper Cu2O cuprate and Cu2S copper glands, right? These are the very important questions. Remaining question I can upload in next video. Please subscribe my channel Maheshwari Chemistry Class and please give me your support beta. Thank you very much for your patience. All the best.